In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display discount percentage instead of the sale badge in Shopify Sense theme. We're going to swap out the generic sale badge and show a clear percentage discount like 25% off. This requires a small liquid code edit in two places: the product cards on collection pages and the price area on the product page. Don't worry, follow along and you'll be set. First, make a safe backup. In Shopify Admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Open Actions on your live theme and choose Duplicate. Work on the duplicate so any mistakes won't affect your live store. Open the duplicate theme and click Edit Code. Find the file that renders product cards and collections. It's often named cardproduct.liquid or productcard.liquid. Search for the sale badge logic. It may look like % if card product dot compare at price, card product, price, % baz, products, product, on, sale. T, duh, %, end if, %. Replace that with % if card product dot compare at price, card product dot price, %, assign discount amount equal card product. Compare at price minus card product price %, assign discount percentage equals discount amount times 100 divided by card product compare at price round 5% discount percentage off /% and diff %. Save your changes. This calculates the difference, converts it to a percentage, rounds it, and prints a clean XX% off badge only when there's a valid discount. Next, adjust the product page badge so it respects variance. Still in edit code, open the file that outputs price and badges on the product page, often price, liquid under sections or snippets. Replace the sale text, such as products.product.on sale T with %, assign old price equals product selected or first available variant, compare at price %, assign new price equals product selected or first available variant, price %, if old price, new price %, assign discount amount old price minus new price %, assign discount percentage equal discount amount times 100.0 divided by old price round % discount percentage off and if %. Save again. Using the selected or first available variant ensures the percentage updates correctly as shoppers switch variants. If you want to style the badge, open your theme CSS, often based CSS or themed CSS, and add badge, sale, background color, E6023, color, #F, font weight, bold, other styles. Finally, preview the duplicate theme. Check a collection page and a product page with real compare at prices. If no discount exists, no badge appears. If you see 0%, verify your compare at prices are higher than the current price. When everything looks good, you're ready to publish.